Hi, my name is Edmund. Welcome back to Barista Experience Academy YouTube channel. So today, I'll be showing you guys the difference between a traditional tamper versus a spring-loaded tamper. We tamp the coffee to ensure that we get rid of any air pockets that are between the coffee grounds and to ensure there is an even surface to get an even extraction. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.